Okie doke, I know it's a little bit noisy, but I've got my heater on because we're in the garage. We're doing some training later on, but I've bought another diesel heater. This is number 3. This is for the van. I'm not going to do it's not an unboxing, it's what's in the box, should I say. Because what I've ordered and what I saw in the pictures and what's come, I want to make sure it's the right one. For a start, in the pictures, I thought this was a 10 litre one. I might buy a 10 litre one because I want this to fit on the door like this. Let me just show you. On the back door, so I can fill it. So as soon as I open the back door or the door comes up, this is accessible. Okay, so that's what I wanted, but I can soon get another one in. I'm not too worried about that. The other thing is, this is more of the new setup with the controls. So get that out of the way. Booklet comes with it. We've had one of them before. Okay, so this is a must. Absolutely, this is what I was on about in the previous video. This one's coming up later on, this video. But this is what we want. You need to use this in your van. Absolutely must. Silencer, a couple of clips. Okay, let's get out of the box. Someone's dropped a pin. First, I've gone for the 2000 watt. Another screw, that's fine. Chuck that over there. Right. Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look what's in here. Now, what I ordered was the latest gizmos, so hopefully that's what it is. So this should be the. But I'm looking at it. Okay, this is the one. Let's get this open. Right. Air ducting, yep, expecting that, that's okay. This is your combustion air going in. Oh, we've got T. Okay, never had that before. You've got your cables and all your connectors. You see this okay? Yep. Exhaust. Not overstruck on this, but I have got some spare of the hard nylon white stuff, so we'll be using that. This is your filter, air filter and whatnot, all your bits and bobs, all your connections. We've got another fuel filter, plenty of spares with that. Okay, and then we've got your ducts. Quack, quack. Okay, that's brilliant, that's that one. Now the two other things I want are the 2 control units, and they should be the new ones. So let's have a look at this. I'm rushing it, I don't want to bore you too much. Oh yes, all right, okay, yes. So this is what we're looking at. This is the new. Has that been used? Oh no, it's got polythene on it. It's alright. If it's been used then, I'm going to be disappointed. There we go, one of the new control panels and the new remote control, which you can adjust the temperature, everything with this, with an LED screen. I was looking forward to that, so that's definitely a good one. What else we got in there? That's it. Okay, so put them to one side. And then in comes the diesel heater. Oh, got the pump as well. Hold on. Right. So pump. I think it goes that way around. I can't remember. A long time since I've done one. And this should be. I only wanted the 2000 watt diesel heater. I didn't want anything bigger. It looks quite small and tiny. We got on there diesel 2 kilowatt, brilliant, that's what I want. Don't need any more in my van. You don't need any more in most vans actually. It's quite a powerful bit of kit. Like I said, as you can hear it running at the moment, that's warming up the gym, and the gym's really toasty. So yeah, so that's what we get in the box, which is what I wanted. So your heater, your pump, your air ducting, definitely. This is your tube that goes onto the induction valve that comes in from your air intake, the exhaust, T-junction off to other parts of the van if you want. All your wiring your wiring loom, should I say. I'll change that, but we've got everything else we need, so that's amazing. And we got the latest one, which is great. I think that comes out of that, doesn't it? Yeah, that comes out of there. There we go, so you can fit that wherever you want. And the new panel goes on. I believe it's a lot easier to use, I don't know, we'll have a go. And then of course, the new remote, I bet it hasn't got any batteries in it. So you need to get a couple of batteries for that, okay? No problem, a couple of AAs by the look of it, triple A's or AA? I'll have a look anyway. There we go, so not so much of an unboxing as what's in the box, alright? Take care. This will be fitted. I'll do a full video of it fitting it in the van, whether I use this 5 litre box to start with and see how we get on, or buy a 10 litre, but I'll probably start with the 5 litre. And we got everything in there as well. You should have. You should have your fuel tap in there. Oh, there we go. And you got your fuel, and you got extra screws as well. So I've got more than I need. So okay, fit that. Alright, take care. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe, notification bell and subscribe button over here, and upcoming videos over there. Alright, take care. Catch you in the next one. All the best. Bye. Sorry folks, just a quick PS. When you get your device, no matter which one it is, the 2 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, 8 kilowatt, if you undo the cap at the end, you haven't got to take this cap off or anything, just spin the motor, just spin the fins to see that they're free, because some of them I did my last one, I watched a video not long ago where they put it all together, they fitted it in place, which took a lot of doing, and then they had to take it all back out again because this actual fan part was pushed too far down the shaft and was hitting the casing. So just make sure that spins freely. Alright, that's all. That was just a caution. Okay, take care, bye.